What's up, guys? Boy, the market is falling in here pretty sharply, but is this the top? Are we headed significantly lower, or is it just a pullback? Let's take a look. Okay, so we've seen a lot of stock market weakness. It started overnight with the yen. The yen is under heavy accumulation. And generally, guys, what that means is when the yen is being bought, global asset managers are running to two things: safety and liquidity. Japan continues to suffer from deflation, disinflation. Basically, what that means is that usually helps domestic bond prices, so they move into the currency of the deflationary economy to hide out for safety and liquidity. They do that when global markets are starting to roll over. So have we seen a top in the markets? Well, guys, we've been aggressively shorting this market. The last two free videos we did with you guys the last one was Wells Fargo. I'll link you to that right here. Wells Fargo. And then the other one was the Russell, the small caps. Well, we have both shorts working with our research customers. We have a nice day going here. Altogether, we're what? Maybe I can do it right here. So altogether, just about $3 grand on the day. Not a bad day's pay there. That'll work for us. The S&P is pulling back, I believe, in a wave 4. I don't think we've seen the top yet. I'm going to be conservative and say this is just a pullback. Now, the pullback that we're looking at here is a fourth wave. It looks to be the same degree, the same family as this red wave 2 pullback here. We have early fib support here holding right at about 2036. The Fibonacci time tells us it's a little shallow to call this wave 4 complete, because we should be out here towards April 10th, maybe out towards April 12th. So we're a little shallow in terms of the time. Let's go down to the 39-minute chart and look inside of this correction. Okay, now I just threw a lot more stuff in there. And basically, the correction that we've seen off the top here is an A, B, and I'm looking at the first of two key fib support zones. So the first one's going to fall in, let me highlight it, right at about 2030 to 2039, right here. We're beginning to hold that zone. We covered our profits in Wells Fargo, so we took the trade-off with our research customers today. We still have the IWM, the small cap short that we talked about in the last video. If we don't hold 2030, the next zone of support is down around 2,000, right down into this zone, okay? We are still okay with this fourth wave while these two fib support zones hold, FSZ, Fibonacci support zone. If we break through 2,000, guys, that's a problem. Wave 4, my count is wrong. We will have made more money being wrong in the wave count, because these are my top two wave counts. The first one says we just go down to 2,000. The other wave count here shows that we go significantly lower, down towards the 1,800 area, into this big, thick zone of Fibonacci support. So we have to see. We're going to be conservative. We're going to take those profits. We just booked some in Wells Fargo. We're going to be watching the IWM position in the event that this is a wave 4. But if we break through 2,000, we're going to be looking at that. And there's a lot more money to be made, guys. All right, so again, thanks very much for the likes. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this. Get these videos in real time, and we'll see you in the next video update. You're still here? I guess you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and click the thumbs up button or subscribe to this channel directly below, and you'll get the videos in real time. Or you're going to have 7 years of bad luck trading and you have to babysit Jake and Brody.